Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we start today's video, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Let's start today's video. The Toyota GR86, formerly known as the Toyota 86 or Scion FRS. Here's what you might expect. Design: the Toyota GR86 is likely to feature a sleek and sporty design, with aggressive lines, a low slung profile, and aerodynamic enhancements. Expect styling cues inspired by Toyota's Gazoo racing division, which focuses on performance-oriented vehicles. Performance: the GR86 is designed to deliver an engaging driving experience with its lightweight construction, balanced chassis, and rear-wheel drive layout. It may be powered by a naturally aspirated boxer engine, providing responsive throttle response and a thrilling exhaust note. Expect enhancements to horsepower, torque, and overall performance compared to its predecessor. Transmission options: the GR86 may be offered with a choice of transmissions, including a 6-speed manual and possibly an automatic transmission with paddle shifters. The manual transmission is likely to appeal to driving enthusiasts who prefer the tactile engagement of rowing through gears, while the automatic transmission offers convenience and quick gear changes for everyday driving. Handling and suspension: Toyota will likely focus on optimizing the GR86's handling and suspension for spirited driving and track performance. Expect features such as a sport-tuned suspension, performance brakes, and a limited slip differential to maximize grip and cornering capability. Interior: inside the cabin, the GR86 is expected to feature a driver-focused layout with supportive sport seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and aluminum pedals. Infotainment and connectivity features may include a touchscreen display with smartphone integration, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, and available navigation. Safety features: while the primary focus of the GR86 is on performance, Toyota may still include some advanced safety features to enhance driver confidence and safety. This could include features such as stability control, traction control, anti-lock brakes, and possibly advanced driver assistance systems like automatic emergency braking and lane departure warning. Customization options: Toyota may offer various trim levels and optional packages for the GR86, allowing buyers to customize their vehicles according to their preferences. This could include options for different wheel designs, exterior colors, interior trims, and performance upgrades. Value proposition: like its predecessor, the GR86 is expected to offer a compelling value proposition for enthusiasts seeking an affordable and engaging sports car experience. Toyota may price the GR86 competitively relative to its performance capabilities and features, making it an attractive option in its segment. As the release date for the 2024 Toyota GR86 approaches, more specific details about its features and specifications will become available through official announcements from Toyota and automotive publications.